Hello and welcome to today's equity market roundup. My name is Vivina Vishwanathan. As expected, Sensex continued to rise today as Modi rally continued to lift Sensex to an all-time high. It crossed the Sensex crossed the psychological mark of 24,000 today at intraday. Sensex closed at 23,871, up 320 points. Nifty closed at 7,109. To take us through the market roundup, we have with us Krishna Merchant. Hi, Krishna. Sensex has gained 6 to 7% in the last 3 trading sessions. Are there risks for this rally?
Vivina, Sensex has rallied, shot up a lot in the last 3 sessions. And one important thing that happened is the volatility index. It has fallen over 13% today. That is a positive sign because it indicates that it may, it douses fear that it would be a fractured mandate. The exit polls does indicate that NDA will get a majority. However, in 2004 and 2009, what exit polls and opinion polls predicted, that was not what happened in the actual results. In 2009, the exit polls were indicating a hung parliament. However, at that time, Congress won with a majority and got a clean chit, and markets hit upper circuit, if you remember. And in 2004, exit polls and opinion polls were indicating that NDA would win. However, again UPA got a majority. So exit polls are not completely reliable. Having said that, that is one risk to watch out for. And also the macroeconomic challenges remain for the new government. India has outperformed the MSCI emerging markets in the last 3 sessions, but the premium has also risen. It was the premium towards against the emerging market index was actually sliding. However, that has ticked up, and we are at a premium of 38%. Compared to the MSCI emerging markets ahead of the election outcome. So that premium is because of economic reforms, on expectations that the reforms will happen, economy will pick up, the stable government will be formed, and if that doesn't happen, we could very well see a contraction in that premium.
Yesterday we saw a slew of data coming in, inflation data and industrial output. How was the data and what does it mean?
Yes, 2 important indicators which came out in markets definitely did not react to that. They reacted to the exit polls. The consumer price inflation inched to a 3-month high of 8.6%, and industrial output contracted 0.5% on back of declining manufacturing and mining activity. Food prices have been playing a spoil sport in consumer price inflation. These are going to be the challenges for the Reserve Bank of India because El Nino will create the irrational weather pattern, which will lead to lower than expected monsoon, hence further stoking inflation. So RBI will not have much room to cut rates, and obviously the new government will not really have a honeymoon period when they come to power.
On that note, let's move on to today's big movers. BHEL was up 11%. Adani Enterprise and Adani Port were both up 11 and 10% on speculations that they would benefit if Modi comes to power. And Reliance Industries was up 3%. In the IT sector, Infosys and TCS were both up 2%. That's all from me. For more updates, log on to livemint.com.